Fishkin-Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin. Smart home tech for the holidays. With both Amazon and Google having refreshed their lines of smart speakers for the holiday season, you can get noticeably better sound. The new Nest Audio speaker is impressive and can be used to create whole home music systems. For smart lighting, Signify's Wiz brand doesn't require a special hub, and the bulbs are simple to install and versatile.
So it's not only just about turning it on and off anymore, but it's about adding a greater level of functionality, about being able to impact the ambience in your house.
Signify's Peter Soares. When it comes to smart switches, Lutron's Caseta line remains a favorite here because of their looks and reliability. And Amazon's Ring brand keeps growing too, with new outdoor lighting and more. You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Cooking with the power of the sun. Hi, I'm Fred Fishkin, here to tell you about the latest innovation from my friend Patrick Sherwin and his great team at GoSun Stove. The GoSun Fusion has arrived using the company's tried and true reflectors and a solar vacuum tube to get you cooking without the mess of charcoal, heavy propane tanks, or smoke. A really bright idea. And with an optional solar panel and battery storage and the ability to plug in at home or on the road, you really can use the GoSun Fusion to cook anytime and anywhere, day or night, rain or shine. I love what Patrick and his team are doing, and so will you. Want to learn more? Head to gosun.co to check out all of the company's products and innovations and use the code Techstination to save 10%. That's gosun.co.